Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com, finishing up the tribute box break from the other night with the Series 2 cards here. I don't know what I do with my box knife. Sorry about that. For Series 2 stuff that we've busted, thanks to our sponsor, BaseballFactorySets.com. Okay, we've got Todd Helton, Drew Stubbs, Endy Chavez, Jamil Weeks, Brandon Dixon, Corey Lubke. That doesn't, I thought you spelled his name C-O-R-Y. Jack Hanahan, Ryan Madsen, Jordan Schaefer, Juan Uribe. Kyle Farnsworth, Salvador Perez, Matt Downs, Cody Ross, Raul Ibanez, Career Day insert, Ryan Howard, Daisuke Matsuzaka, Julio Teheran, BJ Upton, David DeJesus. Colin Cowgill, Tim Stauffer, Daniel Descalso, Jose Contreras, Faustino de los Santos, Giancarlo Stanton, Roger Bernardina. Oh, looks like there's a printing error on some of these. Jose Reyes, Wandy Rodriguez, and Sean Marshall all look messed up. Like the tie, I don't know. Like it just didn't print right. Those are error cards. You guys maybe, especially the Reyes. Whoever got the Marlins, maybe I'd actually get something for them. Got J.D. Martinez, Omar Infante, Josh Willingham, Zach McAllister, Luis Marte, a cut above, King Griffey Jr., a 1987 mini of Steven Strasburg, Coco Crisp, Freddie Garcia, Randy Wolf. Ryan Dempster, Chris Heisey, Jonathan Herrera, Vladimir Guerrero, Juan Abreu, Mound Dominance, Jim Palmer, Mike Moustakas, Tony Campana, Jim Thome, Neftali Feliz. Nick Markakis, Howie Kendrick, Alex Presley, Willie Mays, Nelson Cruz, Gordon Beckham, Dallas Braden, Brandon League, David Murphy. Carlos Lee, Jorge De La Rosa, Brandon Phillips, Scott Hairston, Dave Winfield, Matt Dominguez, Wei Yin Chen, Brian Roberts, Jason Giambi, Aaron Harang. Prince Fielder, Mark Burley, Gianni Giavotella, Eric Sogard, Chris Volstad, Troy Tulowitzki, Career Day, Babe Ruth, 1987 Mini, Brandon Dixon, Ricky Weeks, Aaron Hill. And the last pack, last shot at a bonus hit for the tribute break. Shane Victorino, Houston Street, Matt Hairston, Charlie Furbush, Ryan Sweeney, Jose Constanza, Juan Abreu, Dylan Gee, Kyle Drabeck, Ryan Kalish. So that's the end of that one. Tribute break number 5 is up. It's on eBay, or if you want to get 4% back in store credit, you can buy it on HobbyBoxBreakers.com. So thanks again for you guys buying into this one, and the other one's already up. I think only a couple teams have sold, so check that out.